Hello everyone, you are welcome to this lesson. In this video, you are going to solve this example I have here on the screen. So let's look at how you are going to solve it. You have to find the integral of 10x plus 3 divided by x squared plus 16. So let's look at how you are going to do this. Okay, so with this integral, what you are going to do is that we are going to rewrite the integrand. Okay, so let's look at how you are going to do this. So I'm going to rewrite this as the integral of 10x divided by x squared plus 16 dx, okay, plus the integral of 3 divided by x squared plus 16 dx. Okay, so now we have two separate integrals. Okay, alright, so let's look at what I'm going to do next. What I'll do next is that I'm going to rewrite the second integral. Okay, so let's look at that. So we're going to have the integral of 10x divided by x squared plus 16 dx. Okay, and then for the second integral, I'm going to factor out the 16 from the denominator. Okay, so we are going to have 1 over 16 multiplying the integral of 3 divided by x squared divided by 16 plus 1 dx. Okay, this is what we have now. I just factored out the 16 in the denominator. Okay, so that's how can we have this. Okay, so I'm going to write the second integrand again. Okay, so that's going to give us the integral of 10x divided by x squared plus 16 dx. Okay, plus 1 over 16. Okay, multiplying the integral of 3 over, and then I'm going to rewrite the x squared over 16 as x over 4 squared. Okay, and then plus 1 and then dx. Okay, so now we're going to do a substitution here. Okay, so since we have two different integrals, we are going to do two different substitutions. Okay, so the first one will be for the first integral, which will have our u to be equal to x squared plus 16. Okay, so now you will have to differentiate this. So we are going to have du dx. Okay, so you have du dx to be equal to 2x. Okay, so making the x the subject, I'm going to have dx to be equal to du over 2x. Okay, that's for the first integral. Okay, let's look at the second integral too. Okay, so for the second integral, we're going to have the v, okay, which is our substitution, to be equal to x over 4. Okay, so dv dx, it will be equal to 1 over 4. Okay, and this will give us the x to be equal to 4 dv. Okay, so let's do the substitution. Okay, so we're going to have the integral of 10x over u, because our u is what, x squared plus 16, so 10x over u, and then our dx is now du over 2x. Okay, all right, plus 1 over 16. Okay, multiplying the integral of 3 over v squared plus 1, and then our dx, okay, our dx is now 4 dv. Okay, so now let's continue. So this will cancel out this, and then you're going to have 5 here. Okay, and then over here you're going to have 12, because you're going to have 3 times what, 4, so you're going to have 12 over 16. Then that will give us 3 times 4, so you're going to have 12 over 16 here. Okay, this and this will be gone. You're going to have 12 over 16 here, and then this will give us 3 on 4. Okay, so at the end you're going to have the integral of 5 over u du, okay, plus 3 on 4 multiplying the integral of what 1 over v squared plus 1 dv. Okay, this is what you are going to have now. So let me factor out the constant here. So you're going to have 5 multiplying the integral of 1 over u du, okay, plus 3 on 4 multiplying the integral of what 1 over v squared plus 1 dv. Okay, so let's integrate this. If we integrate this, we are going to have 5, okay, multiplying the natural log of the absolute value of u, okay, plus 3 on 4, okay, multiplying the tan inverse of v, okay, then you can bring the constant of what integration. All right, but don't forget that the question was given in terms of what x, okay, and then with the answer you have now, you have it in terms of what u and v, so that means that you have to do the substitution back so that you can get the final answer in terms of what x. You're going to have 5 multiplying the natural log of the absolute value of u, but you know u is what x squared plus 16, so that will be x squared plus 16, okay, plus 3 on 4 multiplying the tan inverse of what v, but our v is x on 4, so we can bring the x on 4 here, okay, and then brackets closed plus the constant of what integration c. So this now becomes our final answer.